All good things take time, Stanasekhaya. Izinto ezinhle ziyabekezelelwa. Uzozithola wena ufuna ukubona izinto zakho ziguquka in a very fast pace and thinking ukuthi izinto zakho they should be going according to the way ubona abanye abantu baphila ngakhona. There are things move so quickly and their situations are turned around so fast, and how come wena izinto zakho zingashintshi? Good things take time, and nawe isimo sakho sizoguquka ngelinye ilanga. All you need to know ukuthi nawe things will come together for your good. It doesn't matter ukuthi abanye abantu sebakushiye kangakanani. Asifani singabantu empilweni. Awazi ukuthi loya muntu ophumelelayo izinto zakhe uzenza ngayiphi indlela ukuze zisheshe ziphumelele, or is it gonna work for you? You don't know the things that people go through in order to make izinto zabo zenzeke. You may envy them and see them from a distance and say, I wish I can make things happen the way bazenza ngakhona. And yet you are wishing for something ongayazi ukuthi ivelaphi. You are wishing for something ongayazi ukuthi iphumelele kanjani ukuze ifezeke. Now therefore may you start to actually realize ukuthi your path is different from others. Your path is actually different from le eyalo oyikhalelayo wena ukuthi ngathi izinto zakho zingafana nezakhe. Do not wish upon yourself izinto ongazazi ukuthi zifike kanjani kwabanye abantu. May you allow the process empilweni yakho to take its place ngendlela kumele ihambe ngayo while you are working towards the things you want to achieve.